It's Carrie. I'm going to try to make these videos for you when things come up, because boy, the world is changing so fast. And I just came from a meeting where we were talking about all the different distribution channels that are available, places that you can sell product. And you know, we've got some fantastic partnerships that have come up, and I am so excited about the potential that we have to move product. But here's what I need. The lowest hanging fruit is manufactured goods. So if you have a prototype and you have manufacturing set up for it, if you even have bought product and you're ready to sell it, but you have not sold it yet in a big way, it's not really all over Amazon and the knockoffs haven't taken over, it's really early stage, that is what we're looking for. If you can give me a manufactured good that is early stage, we can take that thing and get it to market very quickly, and everybody can make money fast, speed to market, before the knockoffs hit. So please keep those kind of product ideas coming, and I'll see you on the shelves.